What's up, my people? Welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel, More in Mpime World. So it's a baby girl Mpime here, and today I'm going to take you here, which is Nguuni Nature Sanctuary. This is an animal park in Mombasa, and it's off Kiembeni Road. Kiembeni is in Bamburi, yeah, part of coast. And here we are. Let's enjoy the nature trail. So from the gate there is another walk or drive to the main gate. That's why I'm taking you around, as we had paid at the gate. So for those asking for prices, the fee, the entry fee at Nguuni Tatu Sanctuary is 400 for adults, 150 for children above 3 years to 10 years. So children above 11 years, they will pay 400 Kenyan shillings. Yeah. So let's enjoy this place. Nguuni Nature Sanctuary is located in the Nguuni Tatu Hills on Mombasa's Jurassic coastline. Let's immerse ourselves in this nature. It's a nature trail. I love nature, by the way. I'm a fan of nature. So let's go there. And here we are heading to the main gate. This sanctuary, it's a very small, not that very, but it's a small nature sanctuary in a completely unique and out of Africa environment. Like it has rain-fed ponds, and which are inhabited by fish and birds. They have large dump palm. They have every type of wild animals. You could get to see the. Should I tell you? We wait? So I think I should not preempt. Let's just wait and see it for ourselves. So the Nguuni Nature Sanctuary, it's actually a project of the Baobab Trust. That's why when you pay through the M-Pesa, it will bring you that name, Baobab Trust. Which is a non-profit Kenyan organization funded by the Bamburi Cement Factory, and it's just committed to advance the conservation through sustainable activities. The sanctuary is actually, I think I've told you, it's located off the Kiembeni Road. It's about 4 kilometers from the Lafarge Bamburi Cement Factory, and it's also a 10 minutes drive from the road. So just let me know what question you have regarding this nature trail in the comment section below, and I'll let you know. So let me know in the comment section below. You can contact us through there so that we get to tell you our experience, and also we get to answer your questions. For the charges, I think I've told you. But also, there is this factor of non-residents. That is for local, like citizens. That's the charges, the Kenyan shillings. And here is my gang. Look at us, my children. We took our children here for a picnic date with the children. Yeah, and they really enjoy this place. So I was telling you about the charges for non-residents, and
Nice.
for adults, I think it's 1,000. It's 1,000 Kenyan shillings. Um, yeah. So here we found a place where we place all our belongings before we start the day. So we had carried like each and every snack that the children like, and also some food. We came here, actually we cooked, and it was around lunchtime, but we told the children, now we won't eat at home, let's just get to our destination. That's where we'll serve the food. And we carried our recyclable plates and the tumblers, of course, for drinks. Children will take juice. We as well, by the way, we are adults. So here we were serving, and we started. Hi, Teresa.
Hi.
Hi, Hamin. Say hi.
Hi.
Good boy. Hi, Abu.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Jay.
Hi.
Hey. Hi, Ismail.
Hi.
Hey. Hi, Shayla.
Hi.
Hey. Hi, Howie. Hi. Say hi. Good boy.
Adventurer herself. Hi.
Hi. So people are done eating, save for Jay. Jay, finish your food, Baba. We want to go to the next session. Everyone is done eating, save for Hamin and Jay. And Howie is on another round of snacks, which is next. So, guys, please. So after eating now, wait for the next session. Area. Keep it at Mo and Empire World, so that we explore this place. You see how beautiful it looks. Oh my God. So we are under this small shade here. Harvey, you want to be the camera person? Huh? Do you want to be the camera person? Look at that. Look at your mommy. Look at Sheila. So when you get to the place, you just decide where to sit. You can also take a place or a seat at on the grass. Just carry our Masai shukas, and everything will be okay. This is actually a very beautiful place. Okay, you can come here to explore. That you can see the wild animals as it's home to various wildlife, African wildlife, and also apart from the exploring, it also I was telling that it's a very beautiful place, which makes for a both exploration, and also you can just come here to relax with friends and family. You can see the giraffes. My oh my. Twiga. So yeah, for a picnic. You can come here, spend the day. And oh, I forgot to tell you that it's also a sundowner. Yeah, the sunset here view is out of this world. Very satisfying, very classy, very cheese, everyone cheese. Cheese! Everyone chapati! So also chapati! Everyone sausage! For the views. Everyone juice! Carry some 2 or more pairs of clothes.
Everyone,
photo
juice!
shoot.
Juice! Abu, juice!
Juice. Oi,
Oh my
pole.
God, the children really liked this place. We came here, saw the animals and what have you. Now, after the animals viewing, actually today we didn't get to see much of the wildlife, the animals. But we really enjoyed to see the ostriches. They are very friendly, like they will come to where you are. And the antelopes, there were antelopes, or were they called gazelles? I think they are just antelopes, the ones with very sharp and long horns. Antelopes. Then the waterbucks, the birds. How my oh my. Sit here. You can see how beautiful the place is. Now here we wanted to enjoy the sundowner, and we took our Maasai shukas and prepared the place so that we can have some little snacks after viewing the wildlife. I loved each and every bit of
Say
this
cheese! Say
experience.
cheese! Hi, we are preparing now for our second, or is it? Hey, it's been sequence after sequence. No, sit first. Everyone wait, we set up, then we eat together. Make a round, make a circle. Make a circle. So we are sitting here. The ostrich is just next to us, as you can see.
Yeah, now our picnic begins. You see what I was telling about the ostrich. You should also be very careful with your belongings, since the ostrich's beak is very hard and it likes grabbing your can grab your things, even a phone. If you just leave it here, like we had an experience, then I don't know if we captured it, but it took our sandal and flew it in the air. So this place actually is very well kept and also well maintained. If you come here for that picnic, you should ensure that you leave it the way you found it, or even more cleaner than you found it. You can also come here for maybe camping, or just a weekend out like we did. The giraffes, hey, they're very lovely, and it feels so great to watch them and feed them. The sundowner now. It's time for sundowner. The sunset view. Oh my God. So you need to really visit this place And if you choose your visit time wisely, you may get to see a lot and a lot and a lot. Some of the seasonal feathered residents, such as the long-tail cormorant, is usually found around January and February, and the fulvous whistling duck around maybe July and August. Then there is that brown snake eagle, which is mostly found in around September and October, and many other occasional avian species. So uh, you also need to know that the sanctuary offers some game drives, though it's not as heart pounding as those on your safari. But there are also they are guided driving tours that get you to see a sample of Kenya's wildlife up close. Yeah, I think I've mentioned the animals you get to see: the waterbuck, giraffe, oryx, ostrich, eland. Yeah. So as you can see, it's in the evening and we are done with the what we came to see. Now we wanted to take some few photos for the evening. You see the sunset and everything. Yeah. There are various spots for photo shoot. Like you can do your photo shoot anywhere, and here we were checking at this spot if it's good for the evening photos before we go home, as we are done. I love the Makuti shade there and this water pond here with the ladies on top. What are they called? The flowers of the villages are hyacinth. I don't know. So here marks the end of our picnic dates with the children, and they were left here very happy. Yeah, should you prefer maybe more self-directed person? The sanctuary uh, has a very nice place, and you can relax with a cocktail of the sunsets on the horizon. You'll enjoy. So see you on our next video. Bye.